Hello guys, now we are going to continue with the tutorials. This is a series and we are getting to the end of these tutorials. Okay, by the way, my name is Amokwenes, the founder of Irida Digitals and CloudHost Ghana. Okay, first of all, this is our web hosting platform. We have the cheapest, fast web hosting server which can manage your website. Okay, yes, 99.9 uptime. Okay, good. Now let's look at we have introduced a new server, and that is HCP. Okay, so when you come here, you can see that we have, when you click on that, you see this is the interface of this panel. Okay, it's very easy to use. I've made a video on how to use that. So this is the interface. You can just check that. Now when you come here, the price is very cheap. We have 50 cedis for 1 year, for the whole year, for 50 cedis. Though this storage is very small, but you can manage it. I mean, you can use this one for about 2 websites, because we are talking about 512 megabyte NVMe storage, and this is NVMe storage. Okay, this is not SSD. Okay, so it's very fast when it comes to speed. NVMe is very fast. You can just search on Google to compare the NVMe and then SSD. And this is 100 cedis, and it can host, all of them can host unlimited website, but the only thing that will restrict you is the storage size. Okay, so with this 1 gigabyte, you can add about 5 websites, so it's not bad at all for 100 Ghana cedis for the whole year. So you can just check it out. So you can come here and check this hosting. Yeah, I think is the best, especially the new, that is the beginners. Okay, it's very good. Now let's proceed. Let me close that. Right now we are here, we are going to continue. Right now we are going to look at designing the interface. Okay, good. This is the website that we are working on. So right now out here, I will click edit with Elementor. Okay, as we're waiting, we can also do this. You can just search for tagline for fashion. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then you will be able to, for fashion, so 150 fashion slogans. Okay, that is good. So you can click on that, then you'll be able to get a lot of taglines which you can use for your website. Okay, let's see we have a lot of them. Dare to be different, embrace your uniqueness, start the speak volumes. Okay, function with twist of individuality. Okay, express yourself through fashion. These are some of the taglines that you can discover your unique style. Okay, good. So let's come back here. I think it's ready now. Good. So here we will come here, then we will select the first one. Good. Let's leave a space here. We would rather use margin, so you go to advanced, uncheck this, then let's leave about 50. Okay, good. That's good. Now after that, here you will just click here, go back to heading, pick the heading, drag and drop it here. Here we will make it men fashion. Okay, so we will center that. Good. So you can see, let's make the size about 35 or 40. Let's make it 40. So 40, and let's see, that is the stop, and then this one is okay. We are checking its responsiveness. Okay, and this one too is okay, that too. And then mobile, for mobile, let's reduce it, let's make it 30 on mobile. Okay, and that is good. Let's close that, and let's come back here. Okay, so we are going to add tagline. So let's pick the text editor here. Anytime you want to add a text, something like a paragraph, short note, you have to use the text editor, and then it's for the main. Okay, so I will click here inside the text, select here, then I will go for this one, the 5051. Okay, so that I just want to see it clearly. Okay, so here you can just go through and discover, find or get a tagline. Okay, This one says fashion that celebrates your uniqueness. Okay, and I think we can go back, discover your unique style. Okay, so we can just copy this, come back here, go to content, select all that, delete it, and paste that. We can increase the size. We can just increase the size and make it like 18. Good, and that is okay. So we are done with that. Now the next one, let's click that flex box, pick that. You go for this container, click that. Good. I suggest here is 33, then here is 66. Okay, so I think we should make here about 30. Okay, right, then you click here, then you make here 70. Okay, good. So 30, 70 is okay. Good. So this is for men fashion. So we will first click here, then we will select middle. Okay, and click here, come and select the image element here and drop it here. So we are done with that. Now click here again. This time let's search for products. Okay, good. So when you go through it, you will see this one. Okay, products, this one. Drag it and drop it here, and now you see the product will pop up like this, and it has added all the products here, and we don't want that. Okay, so let's make some change here. Let's make it 3 so that we have 3. Okay, and then here okay, so this is what we are going to do. The row, let's make it 2. Or let's say, let me reduce it again. Okay, so that is 2 row. Okay, the row is 2, but I don't think I will even go for 2. Let's see the one. Okay, first of all, let's wait. You see what we can do, or let's make it 2. Now this is men fashion, but you see it has been mixed with ladies and kids. So let's come back here, and we are going to make it manual selection. Okay, or we can just make it category. Let's see if you can see the category here. Latest products, featured. Okay, we don't have category, so let's go to manual selection. Then in here, search the item. Okay, so let's search for item. So we can make it men. So when we type men, we will see men. We have one here. You can also enter men again, and we see we have that. We can also add that. Oh, okay, men again. Okay, we can go down. This one, you see, it's being added. Okay, now let us continue on men. Okay, so we can just go with this. So we can just add them one after the other, but I wanted to use the category base. Let's see, let me change that. Let me see if I can use the category, because I don't want that. Featured, no, this one. Okay, let's see the latest one, and let's see if I can just do something about it. Okay, why? Okay, let's come back here now. Okay, so with this one, I think we need to go by that. Okay, let's do it in this way, or we can change this one. Let's see if we can. Okay, so let me remove this one from there so that I can delete this. Okay, so let's search for another one. Products. Okay, so the first one we went for this one. Okay, but this time let's see if we can use something different. Okay, so we have product list here. Yeah, let's see this. This one, if you have this plugin, you will definitely see that. Let me show you this plugin. Let's come back to plugins. Okay, so if you have this WooCommerce plugin, this one, then you'll be able to see this one here. Let me drag it and drop it here. Let's see. Okay, so I think this one too is not bad at all. Yeah, I like this one. So product per page, let's reduce that. So let's make it about 3 products per page. Okay, so it's 3. I've added only 3, and the column is 3. That is okay. And here we can sort the product. You see, this one is by category. Okay, so here we can just select the category. Good, because we have not added. So we can just enter. We have t-shirts, that is for men. Okay, it has been added. We can even add men's suits or coats. Okay, so because we need only 3, so we only see the 3 of them, but we can add all the main categories here. Okay, now let's go to settings and let's see what do you want us to disable from here. Here we want to, you see, it's left align. Okay, the text, we can make it that is right. Okay, good. And I think the price too, you see the price is still at left. Let's go to price and let's see if we can do that. If not, then we have to switch this one to back. Okay, the price, I can see that here. Let's go down here. Let's go to settings here. Okay, the price here too, there is no. Okay, that is the badge. Okay, position, product over, product position, center, left, bottom. Okay, okay, so here let's change this one back because we don't have this one, so let's leave it because I don't want to. And I think the design is okay. Okay, so let's see if you can start the whole thing, make it more beautiful. Border, if you want us to put border to products, you can have a border like this. Or if you want to add that is border, that is okay, you can also add that. Okay, no, so that is okay. So we have added that, but I don't want the border. Okay, it's not looking good for me, but you can leave it if you think it's okay. Let's come back here and refresh the page for the front end. Okay, so this is what we have here. If you think the border is okay, then maintain it. Now let's move on. Let's come back here. Here we have to click there. Then now we are going to search for you see, I have all the list here, but I just want to show you. Just locate the folder, the product folder. Let me see if I can find it here. Okay, let me go down. Okay, this is the product folder. So inside we have categories. So let's see. Okay, so here, it's not here. Okay, so the main fashion, I don't know, I don't have the sample one, the one that we were using. I don't know, we don't have it. I don't have it here, but let's see if, okay, let me go for this one. So we will use this one. Okay, I don't remember if that what was used in the video in the sample site, but I will go by this one and drag it and drop it here. Okay, so I will just close that. And here, let's see if there is a wanted part. Yeah, we can click edit just to reduce the size or make it simple. click crop here. So I will drag this one down, then go up here. I will drag it up. Yes, I just want to click that, then save, update, and now we have this. No, I don't like it. I've reduced the size. No, I will not reduce it. Let's maintain that, the original length. So I will pick, I will pick it again from here. Training materials, this, and I will select that and open that. Then insert. Okay, still the same, but we can make it full here. Okay, still the same, but I think it's okay. Or we can come here, then the height, we can just drag the height, drag it. Okay, now it's equal to that. Publish it. Now let's come back here and publish that, and we see we have it here. It's okay, it's looking good. Now we can also work on the other how responsive it is. Let's close that so that we will see it well. Let's go to the other device. Still okay, right? Or we can reduce the height of this image. So instead of here, we will go up. Okay, and that is good. Then let's go to the other device, and here we are going to work on that. And this is okay. So what are we going to do for this? Let's see if we can make, let's change the products to, so we can have let's say 2 products here. Okay, so let's see, this is what tablet. Okay, tablet. So we are having 2 products here, but let's go here and see. Oh, come on, it will also affect that. So then let's maintain that. Okay, but here, what are we going to do? Okay, so we don't want this to look it's because this is not the best to me. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. No, there's no way we can change that. Let's make it not 1 is possible, 3. Okay, so 3 here, and I think it's going to affect this one too. So let's maintain 3 for all. Okay, just to have a fair, yeah, 3 for all of them. So here too is 3. Let's go here, is 3. Okay, good. And what about here? It's still 3. Okay, and we can reduce this one, can reduce it again. Okay, yes, and it looks nice, good. And then we can go to mobile. For mobile is just 1. Okay, now you know something, I don't want to show this category, that bold over there on mobile, so I can decide to hide this. I will just click only this container, okay, and go to advanced. Then over here down there we will see responsive. Okay, responsive, so click on that, go down. So what we are going to do right now, we want to hide it on mobile. Okay, so you hide it here, you see it's faded. So with this, if you open it on mobile, because we are at the editing part of Elementor, that's why we can see it in this way. But if you go here and refresh the page, now let's reduce this to, let's see if you reduce this one to mobile, you will see that again. Okay, let's see here. I think I don't know why I'm still seeing this, but it will not show on mobile. You just open it on mobile. Let's see, hide on mobile lens, and even this we can even change that, yes, so that we will, but I think here is okay, landscape is okay, but this one is not the best. So I have okay, let's select the inner one here, good, and let's do that. It's the same thing, so and publish. Okay, so let me check it again. But it will not show on mobile. You just open. Let me confirm that. I just want to open that on mobile just to confirm. Okay, yeah, so what I'm saying is true. So on mobile, I'm not seeing that. Okay, and it's looking good on mobile too. Okay, so I cannot see this on mobile, as I said. So everything is cool. Now we are done with the men parts. So in our next video, we will look at the women's session. Okay, so for now, all that I can say is thank you for watching. Bye bye.